Hi there, Tony Maynard here from diehardforeducation.com, and once again I'm at the photo for wellness, and the wellness logo will be right here. Click on that and you come to the wellness page where you can get some examples, or me demonstrating how to create logos, slogans and designs for your print on demand business. And the company I represent, not represent, actually recommend, is Printful, because they let you start for free. For one, they teach you what to do. They want to create customers, which is the way to go. And so then they give you, they teach you everything that you know, and I'm teaching you how to do the logos and slogans. They probably do the same thing, but not as detailed as what I do. Okay, so I'm just going to give you the overview as well and tell you just how simple this is to come up with your own basic design logo, which you can put on your hats, your t-shirts, you know, hoodies and jackets and mugs, you see. So, okay, without further ado, let's get on with it, shall we? And get onto this and get it done. So here we go. So here, what do we have here? Okay, oh yeah, okay, I've got one. No, well, actually, I might just, I think I'll change that because it's going to get a bit too long. So, yeah, I will change it now, just to this. Okay, so take the time to notice things, and you know, that's right. Instead of walking around in a dream and not realize, not noticing anything, you know. Okay, so okay, so we can come up with another one. Why am I saying take the time to notice things? This is the reason why. There's another one here. I've got another one here. There's another one. Here's another one. Take a trip to lift your spirits. See, and that's why you do take the time to notice things, right? So take a trip to lift your spirits. Here's another one. Enjoy the small things in life. Okay. Oh, okay. We just put that in there like that. Enjoy the small things in life. Okay, that's another one. So it's reminding people what they need to do. And this is how it is. It's that simple. I'm doing it right in front of you on the fly. You're seeing me do it. Here I am. I'm doing it for you, and I'm doing it in front of you to demonstrate exactly how simple this is. You don't have to be a rocket scientist. You don't have to be a genius. I'm no genius. I make mistakes. You know, I probably made a lot of mistakes in the other videos, spelling mistakes, but this doesn't matter, you see. It really doesn't matter, right? The main thing is to come up with something, right? To come up with some sayings. That's the important thing. You can do your corrections later, okay? You know, that's the thing. You can do before you put them on the, put them up on Printful. See, because Printful's the one I recommend, because they let you start for free, right? And they teach you what you need to know, and which is a great thing, because they're trying to create customers, which is a smart thing to do in business. It's really smart, and I'm doing the same thing, right? Because I'm trying to teach you to do to create slogans, to do it the easiest way possible, because it doesn't take much thought, right? That's the thing, and I'll show you what I mean. I mean, it's just insanely simple. See, well, see, there you go. There's a girl with a hoodie, and she's telling you exactly where to put your design. So you put your design here, here it is there, and this is a Printful, like I said. Yeah, okay, and there's some of the gear. See, new. There's some gear there. See, so you've got shorts, and you've got caps, and you got mugs, and you got shoes. You got all sorts of things you can sell and put things on, right? So there you have it. See, so I'll take, I've got another thing to show you, and here's my account, right? So here's the best sellers, right? Best selling t-shirts, hats, mugs, and there's also a printable there, right there. So and then they go, there's a Printful challenge. Here's all that you get points for completing each module in the course here. I'll go up again. See, because there's a course here. See, it's all this. This is a course. This is my account, which I've got for free. Like I told you, I said it's free, and it is. But they'll teach you. And see, well, how do they get paid? Well, they get paid when you get paid. That's how it works, right? It's not a question of you. They just give you an account, and then they just take your money month after month. It's not like that. No. Start a print-on-demand business. They want you to get paid, all right? And because and they get paid when you get paid. That's how this works. Okay, so you got Fashion Guide, you got Printful Academy, Printful Academy, and product templates. And this is how I think more business should be done. I really do. Where you're helping others to succeed. And because why? Because they'll always be your raving fans. See, this is why. Okay, so that's how that is. So we'll go back to our designs. All right. Oh, okay, here we are with our design. So take the time to notice things. Take a trip in the. Okay, yeah. Well, hang on a minute here. I'm afraid I made a mistake, but that's okay. We'll just correct this one. Oh, now it's going to. There we go. And then take a trip to lift your spirits. See, take the time to notice things. When you do that, you engage your brain. You start to think, and that's a good thing to do. And you notice things. You start to notice things that you didn't notice before. This is just another one telling people what to do, how to take the time to notice things. Little things, enjoy the small things in life, Yeah, that's it, just sitting down and having a think and things like this, or having sitting down and having a coffee or whatever you want to do. It's just the small things, right? Take a trip to lift your spirits. Yeah. Go on a trip, take a trip. Have a look at a castle or whatever. Or you'll go to the beach if it's fine enough and have a swim, in the ocean. I mean, all these things help you, that's what they do. And it lifts your spirits and makes you feel good, that's what it does. See, so, and it's important, see, so, you know, I mean, to have a go at this business, I mean, it couldn't be simpler. You can help people by doing so, and you can help yourself as well, because once the hats and whatever piece of items that you're selling, right? Once once a customer orders your logo, or your design, then it goes on to the onto that piece of clothing or whatever they ordered, or cup or mug or hat, and it's sent out to the customer. Now that doesn't happen until the customer has paid for the item. So, and you see, that's the thing, and that's the thing that you want, And when you get these, right, you get these, don't cry over it when they don't do anything. Just chuck out the losers and keep the winners. The ones that sell, that get you sales, you keep, and then as time goes on, you will get more and more winners, and pretty soon you'll be saying to your boss, "Oh, I don't need you anymore. I've got my own business now. I'm going to do my own business." That's it, and then that's what happens. But you've got to persist with this, and that's all there is to it. You've got to keep doing it. That's all you've got to do. All right. And if you like this video, smash the like button. If you want to see more, click the notification bell and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you on another video, because that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to do another one. This is next one's the final one for wellness. Right, and I'll be closing that off, and going on to another category. So there'll be lots of categories, see? So there you go. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you again. Bye for now. See you in the next video. Bye.